Advantages of eggs for hair. Curb hair thinning. The nutrients also aid curb hair thinning by stimulating your scalp and adding nourishment to it, strengthening your hair roots. Improve hair elasticity. Egg yolks are wealthy in lutein, which will help hydrate hair and improve its elasticity. Heal damage. Since hair are 70% protein, the protein in eggs help rebuild the broken keratin gaps within the structure of the hair. This can help heal damage. Promote hair regrowth. Eggs are a plentiful supply of proteins and nutrients that provide as hair food. These nutrients help raise the rate where hair grows while promoting healthy new growth. Curb breakage. The lutein in egg yolks also helps heal brittle hair, curbing breakage and split ends while increasing the texture of the hair.